Hey everyone, are you facing a cloud activation lock lens on any iPhones device or locked owners? How do you fix it permanently? We will see live, step by step, with real demonstrations, without doing a jailbreak, with the help of PC or laptops. At your home, you can fix it, guys. Why it happens? Firstly, let's know then. See here, this is a things that lock to owners. Activation lock that prevents anyone who is not the owner from using this device. So this came at my shop at the morning time today, and I'm trying to fix it right now here. So what can be the basic reasons? Either your device is the stolen mode, lost mode, blacklisted, or reported, or maybe previous owner linked, or sometimes when you have entered multiple times a screen wrong passcode, then erase everything and it will stack on there. So iTunes, after accessing a data, it thinks that link to an Apple account, enter the Apple ID and password that's were used to set up this device. If it is saying volume on these things, then just we will cut it from here, and without making delay, we will proceed all the procedures. So firstly, we will open iTunes, then configure in the DNS cloud configuration and Apple data DNS configuration. Then we will go for read from by blob saver, include the betas, and of course your device can be rebooted multiple times, so just we will have to wait here. Let's fetch all the data that is retaining the cloud database and the Apple database, guys. So now see it's trying to push into the recovery, and then it will fetch the API announce along with all the data that is in a cloud database and Apple database. Then we will delete one by one each, and we will come with the especially new firmware with some techniques and instructions, and then of course easily we will go the inside to generate new Apple ID and password, and this device will be fully functional as a new ones. How is it possible? We will see here. Don't do extra anything. It's not frozen, but don't worry. Just it will multiple times this will be especially I'm rebooted till it's not going to fetch the proper API announce along with all the cloud database. Just we will go for here. Let me exit this so that it will not interrupt again and again. Now we can see it's reading. So once again, got it back, guys. Here, see, successfully got API announce, and it's trying to the exit from the recovery mode now. So just we will wait here and see when it will be highlighted, then we will go for exited. Now see this device is once again rebooting, and now it's coming in the normal mode. Fine. Now succeed, guys. Here we can see. So just we will select the language. We will go for the zone. We will go for here. We will go for here. Customizations, and here this one finish option, and thereupon we will open especially that is here 3U tool. Now let's check it out that is whatever cloud data retaining data and Apple data retaining. Yes, just we will tap on a especially toolbox, cut it from here. We'll come the crash analysis. Check it out that data is inside or not. Yes, here is the data. So if it is possible, then delete. If it is a file, don't worry, guys. We have a solution for it also. Whatever data that we have reaccumulated on here, so that is in the crash analysis in the inside of it. So let's clear the Safari history in a real-time logs. Keep it clear 20 times especially. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now see almost we had a cleared, and the recent one data is coming, so just close it now. Now we will refresh, and we will open especially one tool, that is a imaging PC now. So now it's going to open it, and now it's connected. So just we will go the trial mode. Just we will come on here, show device control. Keep it clear. Keep it clear, guys. Keep it. Keep clearing, guys. At least 20 times we will have to clear. So now see till the date of today is coming. Fine. Now see Yes, keep clearing. Now see, it's a very fine, so no problem at all. Close it. Keep clearing. Keep clearing. Now see on a 3U tool, there will be one especially REC mode. Let me have, yeah, this one's. Just keep it. And there is accumulating console clearing. So keep clearing, guys. Almost the white screen is coming. So almost we had a clear. So just we will close. We will close. Imagine patient. Now we are ready to tap on a especially there. Just we will go in the flash options. Just if you had deleted any phones, especially cloud activation lock lines in the previous one, so there will be history, but no problem at all. So now see here, we will refresh and checked out the latest firmware. So latest firmware is especially 26.44 beta. Why it's so? Because if we tap on a firmware, then we can see here in a selected model, just we will select this one and we will select this one. Now see, this is a 234A beta version. Total size is approximately 10 GB. So we are not going to right now downloads. We had already downloaded and the kept on this especially desktop. So just we will try to import. So let me delete. Now directly we will import it. So here we kept this one. So now see similar version that I kept on desktops, and just we will select the quick flash mode. Don't select the retain user data. Don't fix flash. Don't anti-recovery. Just a quick flash mode and hit this one without making delay. Here, don't select the fixed battery during the health, and without selection, just we will select here close items, and we are ready for especially have the results now. 2 3 crucial steps that we will have to execute at the end of this tutorial, guys. Yes, that's very mandatory. On exact times we will have to execute. So we are ready for especially thus notifications when it will. Now don't do extra anything here, just we will wait for further notification that what's the step that we will have to proceed, guys. Now while the flashing, your device can be rebooted multiple times, so please don't unplug the device, guys. When you are doing any troubleshoot of especially with any iPhones, just relax and calm still it's not notifying the 3U tool, guys. Now see here, we have this one now for 2%, and one thing more also I would like to tell you here. This can be seen in a jumping order, sometimes in the ascending order percentage, and sometimes it can be seen in descending order also. So these ones I'm the talking, guys. I'm extremely exhausted by speaking today because two more devices today we will have to fix it. And yes, you know that if you are a shopkeeper, then how much time you will have to especially in this picture. So that's why extremely exhausted. Let me relax now the 4 timings. But here, now see it has across the foot 750%. So now we will deselect. So there will no disturbance in the cloud data and Apple database. Now see here, we have this more than 80%. We are waiting for here. Let it complete. Any disruption or any error, if they come suddenly, we will start to troubleshoot of it also. So we are ready for it also. Don't worry. Don't skip ahead. Every step is going to be crucial. If you miss any additional information, you can get here. You can gain experience. If the suddenly error comes, then because various kind of error that can be occurred on a one particular iPhone, guys. So that's why I'm saying more than 200 error. So now we are on here because requesting EN data. So let's see what's going to happen further. We will see step by steps. And this IPSW or iOS, this can be downloaded from the various websites. One is ipsw.beta.com, one is ipsw.com, so one is ipsw.me.com, one is www.3u.com, and yes, last one on itself, people you can visit of it. And now we are on a especially 52%. Let's see what's going to happen further. Similar strategy can be applicable on any PC or laptops. If you have a laptop, you can apply this strategy also, but there should be a RAM more than 8 GB because of, yes, 2 3 driver that you are going to use in a one time, so there may be a chances that your PC would be a functional slowly, so that's why I'm saying, you guys. And estimated times for whole procedure, you need 20 minutes, so that's why, guys. Now each second is auditable, so you can watch it, and this tutorial directly would be uploaded, especially on this technology welfare, so that you can, yes, watch and get an information from there, so no problem at all. And after getting the information, of course, apply a similar strategy. Here you should have the data cable, that should be a good quality. Don't miss any space alignment disconnection problems, because there should be no any movement of your PC, laptop or device. Otherwise there may be chances to have especially this kind of the error, that if the movements and then disconnection, the problem would be especially, and plugging the problem can be occurred. That's what I'm saying. And yes, sometimes it's stuck, then maybe directly it will jump from the 50 to 100 percentage, or sometimes it will be rebooted again. So it's totally dependent on the cloud database, guys. So now 2 3 crucial steps that we will have to execute, just waiting for it. Let's see what's going to happen, guys. Here, see, unmounting, and we have reached on a space lamp 63 percentage. Now we are waiting for the further. Now almost to see more than 90 percentage we have completed, and now it's ascending as facial lamp the object before type attack. So see here what's going to happen, especially with this was any iPhone that is the latest one, or X, XR, 11, 11 Pro Max, 11 Pro, to especially 17, 17 Pro, Pro Max, especially. You can fix it at your home with the help of similar strategy, guys. And if you are so care, yes, if you are a shopkeeper, then you must be aware of this strategy, because you can fix multiple devices in a day. There is no limitation that this much device can be fixed only by this strategy. And all the tools and driver I will give you below the description box. There would be download links. Without any hesitation, you can access. Or it's my better advice that, of course, to go on its official website, totally absolutely free. These are all tools and driver. So by free, of course, you can get it updated version, and after having that installation, and after installing, apply this strategy. This is not apps, but yes, it will take time, that 10 to 20 minutes, almost 13 minutes we have spent here, and I still see waiting for the results, and they're taking time. So because the total and the size of the film, as we know, that more than 10 GB, so that's why it's taking time. So in the whole procedure of fans, I try to approach a beta version. If the beta version is physically available there, then go blindly with this. More efficiently result you will get it. So that's what I'm saying, guys. Still the waiting the results. Now see how the what's going to happen, and then now we are on a especially 96 7%, but look at on the physical form of this device. Don't look at there, because it will confuse you that it's a processing or not. But if you look on there, it's a processing. Now see, it's a congrats. It's a notified us that, yes, it's a notified to us that it has been completed, and the sign is that right sign is given. So just we will come the toolbox, wait for the batch activation. When we will click on them, when it will be highlighted, then we will click on it, because it's mandatory to the click on there. It will skip the setting of the reason, face ID, touch ID, Apple ID, cloud ID, everything, time skin passcode, iDevice, mobile management, locks, manager password, everything would be skipped, and then we will go the inside of it. So now see, within 30 seconds, of course, when it will highlighted, or since when highlighted, just we will execute this within 10 seconds. And now see here, activating and this giving the both has been rendered in the one time. So select all and execute this once. Here is the chances to have the error. Then changing the internet connection, this can be fixed, guys. However, in the rarest of rare case, if it is having error, then we will have to use the virtual private networks to customize the precise location of PC according to the sales area of your iPhones. So this iPhone belongs to Hong Kong. So of course we will use the customization precise location of Hong Kong this PC, and upon of course we will execution when error comes here. So more chances 100% surely this will be especially fixed. So see here any error comes, then of course we are not aware of this sales area of this phones. So right now waiting for here any error. Now see it has notified, but then there is no any notification. So we'll have to wait it, and upon according to the situation we will have to go for travel search. So its take scarcely is 1 to 5 minutes. So now seat has been completed. Once we will go for ads. Toolbox once again. We will come to deactivation strategy. Select all and we'll go for started. So it's asking the 10-second. Of course, we will have to wait here. Let it complete. Still it is rebooting and it has been highlighted, so go for execution. Successfully done. Now do you think so that this device is linked to an Apple ID? It will ask the any Apple ID and password. Let's access data by using iTunes. What's saying iTunes so that it is still linked to an Apple account or not? So we come on here, just we will select the language and thereupon now it says trying to access the data iTunes, and after accessing data it's saying that it is linked to an Apple account or not. Now see here we will have to, it has a welcome to you guys. So what do you say here? I think in the cloud activation log links and there is no link to any Apple accounts. Yes, so now that we are selecting the language and thereupon the further we will go for here. Check it out in that. So let's go for here. Let's go for here. Now see quickly set up and looking for something as saying that just we will go for here. Now see it's a setting appearance and etc. Now just we will go for without, just we will go for customizations, we will go for here. Now see it's saying that you will have to select the internet connection, so we will back once again, and of course we will go for once again select the language, sorry, country regions once again. Let me have the selection the language, just we will go for here without. Now see guys here it's asking especially choose the internet, choose the internet connections. Here is asking we are not going, so it's a saying the continue and without, so I'm going with without. So see here what's going to happen. Now here see that we can disconnect and of course we can connect to once again, so that maybe chances to have that especially see files. Let me minimize, it's welcome to you, but here is a having little bit error. So just to see will backs we are unable to now see without having the internet connections. Now that we came on a data privacy, how it is possible? There is no internet connection, we came on a data privacy. So what we will do here, just we will go for continue. Now it's asking screen passcode, set up this later. We will go for especially set up this later, don't use, yes, don't transfer. We will go for here agree term and conditions. We will go for especially continue, not now, set up later, now, set up later. We will go for continue, don't share, don't share, set up later. Now that we can see here, it's welcome to you guys here. Now see if we clicks, it's saying connect to the internet or the sign into your device. Is it possible?